2024 Best 600 Cubic Centimeters Motorcycle for Beginners Triumph Daytona 675. The 2024 Triumph Daytona 675 represents an enticing yet spirited choice for beginners entering the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category, offering a distinctive blend of performance, sleek design, and British elegance. Renowned for its sporting pedigree and track-inspired features, the Daytona 675 provides an exhilarating riding experience for novice riders looking to step up to a higher displacement class. Powering the Triumph Daytona 675 is a potent 675 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, inline-3 engine. This unique triple-cylinder configuration sets it apart in the middleweight category, delivering a dynamic power output that strikes a balance between performance and manageable power delivery. The Daytona 675's engine, known for its distinctive sound and smooth performance, provides an engaging experience, making it well-suited for riders eager to explore the capabilities of a sport-oriented motorcycle. Design-wise, the Daytona 675 exudes a modern and aggressive aesthetic, reflecting its supersport lineage. The bike features a sharp front end, twin headlights, and a sculpted profile that emphasizes aerodynamics and performance. The Daytona 675's design not only communicates its ability to excel on the track but also signifies Triumph's commitment to creating motorcycles that are as visually appealing as they are thrilling to ride. Comfort is a consideration for riders entering the supersport category, and the Triumph Daytona 675 strikes a balance between sport-oriented ergonomics and rider comfort. The bike's riding position is designed for dynamic control, with slightly forward-leaning ergonomics that cater to spirited riding. While this may be challenging for some beginners, those with a passion for sport-oriented riding will find the Daytona 675's ergonomics suitable for an engaging and exhilarating experience. Handling is a standout feature of the Daytona 675, characterized by its nimble and precise performance. The bike's lightweight chassis, advanced suspension systems, and well-balanced geometry contribute to exceptional maneuverability. Novice riders will need to approach the Daytona 675 with caution, as its sharp handling demands a level of skill and confidence developed over time. Safety features are integrated into the Daytona 675, including a robust braking system and advanced electronic aids. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, is often included as standard, enhancing rider control and safety, especially during intense riding scenarios. While the Triumph Daytona 675 offers an exhilarating supersport experience, its higher power output, aggressive nature, and sport-focused ergonomics may pose challenges for beginners. Additionally, the Daytona 675's price point positions it as a premium option in the 600 cubic centimeters supersport category, making it an investment in a track-ready and high-performance sport bike. In conclusion, the 2024 Triumph Daytona 675 is a compelling choice